That was the penalty. Hand was in the box. That hand was in the box. Don't try to convince me that was a penalty. Maybe whoever was gonna be our penalty taker was gonna score that penalty. We got robbed. But yeah, let's speak about the game before we can dive into all of the drama in this game. Like the video and comment your own thoughts in the comment section below. Okay, bafowethu, Egypt 1, Bafana Bafana 0. Mohamed Salah with the pen. First half, Bafana Bafana, I would say, if I were to rate their performance before the red card, Egypt, we were not convincing in terms of creating opportunities to score. The first shot on target, Bafana Bafana, I think it came around near the 20th minute, 19, I think. Umzuzu 19, where Ulai Foster worked very hard to even get us a shot on target. The Gunzima who create our chances, and I would understand though. I would understand because we didn't have a playmaker and all that, but still, Ulomjita, Umbata was there, Gwana was there. Hugo Bros, we approach a game with a bit of too much respect for Egypt, in my opinion. But I do understand them again. Egypt has quality players, Bafethu. You had to give them that respect. So he just had to do it. But at the same time, in my opinion, with the ball position that we had in this game, in the first half, especially first 10 minutes, I feel like if we had the playmaker, if Usipho Mbule was introduced earlier, I feel like even though, okay, we're going to talk about Usipho Mbule later on, I feel like in the first half, I feel like he would have done something. He would have done something. Egypt, if you guys watch the game, Saba in control of the game in terms of ball position. We were circulating the ball, but now there was no passing or combining with the wingers. Also Napolis, Tsepang Moremi. I feel like Usipho Mbule was needed. A playmaker who's creative was needed so that we can create more clear chances. That's why Kubenzima to even have a shot on target in the first half. And then a red card happens. A penalty happens. Mutawu ubeka isandla on the face of Mohamed Salah. Mutawu was slightly ahead. He was going to get to that ball first. I think we all saw that. But isandla in the face is always a foul. He's in the box, he does that. I feel like one of those mistakes as well is it cost the team. Like last game, we almost got costed by Ungezana, by that tackle Ayenze kula striker or whatever midfielder, but again we managed to get away with it because we scored 2 goals. Sawina 2-1. Now we make another mistake. A mistake Mutawu should have not done. He should have been more disciplined as a player who is of his caliber player. He should be mindful of his hands. Yes, you try to feel the player and all that in the box, but still isandla sakho asingafiki apha phezulu. And yeah, man, the ref has to do what he had to do, in my opinion. It's a penalty. Hand in the face is a foul. There was nothing that the ref could do. It was a foul, penalty. Foul in the box, penalty. Okay, and then when the incident, red card, game yashintsha. Bafana yaqala second half. Master Chef gets introduced immediately from the Umzuzu 45, and then we saw that. I feel like he didn't do much, in my opinion, and I don't want to put the blame only on him. I feel like Bafana should have done better. We should have gotten at least 1 goal. I know Abantu Bazoya with penalty that should have been awarded to Bafana, but still I feel like we should have scored with Egypt. We should have not relied on that opportunity only. We should have scored at least 1 goal with Egypt. We open play, single penalty from the ref. And yeah, let's talk about the penalty. By the way, in my opinion, that's a penalty. Hand is in the box. I don't know Ugutu Urefli, based on which rules azibhekileyo wabona ukuthi he should not award that penalty. I feel like he should have awarded it because into esiyitshajayo is a sandla that is in the box that is blocking a shot. So that is a clean penalty in my opinion. The body of that player, yes, it was slightly outside the 18 area, but still, the hand was inside the 18 area. I'm still gonna double check it, but I think I checked everything. Let me know in the comments. The hand was inside the box. And a person might argue, when a person is sliding like that, the hand is in the natural position, but that's not what we do. Imithetho seyajika seyathi if ibhola ishaya esandleni in the box, that's a pen. But the ref disallowed it. We got robbed. I would like to blame the referee also and say we got robbed and all that, but there was still a 50-50 chance with the penalty. We could have still not scored the penalty. I feel like we should have scored on open play. See, Bafana Bafana. Egypt, we are failing to beat them on open play. Then end order, A1 down, one man down. As the red card happened, we had the whole 45 minutes to score an equalizer on open play. That's one red flag we have to take. We have to look at, because the SIAG World Cup and we're gonna be facing tougher opponents than Egypt. So if we are failing to beat Egypt, any red card, that's a red card. That's a red flag for me. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I believe that Bafana Bafana should have done better in this game. I'm not even gonna try and analyze a player players individually and all that. I feel like we should have done better as the whole team. Yes, the boys in the second half, I could see them trying their best, but sometimes you need to do better than your best. Your best is not enough. I feel like we should have done better. Hugo Bros, his substitutions, should we question them? Police getting off? This is the second game, by the way, Undibon Police Epuma. I feel like Umjita could have done better, even though Urele came on and kind of gave us, gave us something, because I feel like as much as we tried in the second half, we really tried to score, and that goalkeeper was very good. But still, I feel like we should have done more. We should have done more. Master Chef should have done more. We should have done more in the second half. We should have scored at least one goal from open play. Singalindeli penalty referee. SIAG World Cup bafethu, where we're gonna be facing serious opponents. I feel like the AFCON izosikombisa ukuthi World Cup sofika siphume ekseni or sofika sicompete na. So it was unfortunate for us to lose to Egypt. I'm hoping the next game that we're gonna play, let me know in the comments. I forgot. We're gonna do better and we're gonna score goals. I still believe in the boys. I still think they kind of played well, but at the same time, this performance, I need more. We needed more. We needed more. What again? Hugo Bros has to take. Should we blame him for playing 3 midfielders without a 10? Should we blame him for giving Egypt too much of respect, in my opinion? But at the same time, it was Egypt. Ignore they have top talent like Omar Mamouche, Salah, and all these players. Others who are very good. It's a hard one, but at the same time, if we are going to compete, if we are to try and make the finals of AFCON, we're gonna have to take those risks where we have to give our all, play the players that are supposed to play in their positions. Mbule as the attacking midfielder, start, or whoever is fit, they should start, because now in the first half, I felt like Bafana Bafana, if they had the playmaker, they could have created more opportunities. And we probably could have scored, because the wingers up front, besingena impact. uthathe isikhathi for us to even get ilento our first shot on target. I think Ulai Foster worked very hard for that shot on target ukuze ukuthi sibe na something esibhalisayo ukuthi okay sike safika ku goalkeeper we-Egypt. So yeah, bad loss. I'm hoping next games izokwenza ngcono. Like the video, comment